Why password protect your local backups?
Keeping backup files safe is essential, as these files often hold sensitive information. Without password protection, anyone who can access your device might also access your backups. Adding a password creates a first line of defense, making it much harder for unauthorized users to read or restore your important data.
Choosing the right backup software.
Many backup programs, like 7-Zip, WinRAR, and built-in tools on Windows or Mac OS, let you add password protection to your files. Check whether your backup tool offers encryption or password options. If not, consider switching to one that does, or use a file compression tool with strong encryption features.
How to add a password using 7-Zip.
To password protect a backup with 7-Zip, right-click your backup folder and select Add to Archive. In the window that appears, set an archive format like 7Z or ZIP. Enter your chosen password in the encryption section. For best security, select AES-256 encryption. Click OK to create a new, password-protected archive of your backup.
Remembering and managing your backup passwords.
Always choose strong, memorable passwords for your backup files. Consider using a password manager to securely store passwords. If you forget the password, recovering your backup can be impossible. So keep your credentials safe. Never write passwords in plain text files stored on your computer.
Testing and maintaining secure backups.
After creating a password-protected backup, test it by trying to extract a file to ensure the password works. Regularly update your backups and passwords. Delete unprotected copies and make sure only password-protected versions are stored. Regularly review your backup and security practices for the best protection.